Collagen. It's more than just a buzzword. It's the invisible framework holding your body together. Every stretch, every smile, every smooth surface of your skin exists because collagen is quietly doing its work beneath the surface. Think of it as the scaffolding that keeps everything lifted and strong. But here's the thing. After your mid-20s, your body begins to slow down its natural production. The fibers that were once tight and springy start to loosen. That's when you might notice your skin feeling thinner, less vibrant, or even a bit more tired looking. It's not just aging, it's communication from your cells asking for support. The goal isn't to fight your body, it's to work with it. Collagen isn't just about beauty, it's about vitality. It's the same protein that strengthens your bones, cushions your joints, and keeps your tendons resilient. So when we talk about boosting collagen, we're talking about rebuilding the foundation of your health from the inside out. Your body already knows how to make it. It just needs the right conditions, the right nutrients, and a bit of consistency. Close your eyes for a second and picture every fiber of collagen as a strand of light weaving through you, holding your shape, your strength, your presence. Supporting this process naturally is like sending your body a message of care saying, I'm here to help you rebuild. Every act of nourishment, every moment of rest, every mindful breath feeds that architecture. The structure beneath your skin is waiting, and the moment you choose to support it, your glow begins to rise from within. Water is often underestimated. We think of it as something to drink, not something that shapes us. But every drop you take in becomes part of your biology, your skin, your organs, your connective tissue. They all depend on hydration to stay alive and active. Collagen synthesis, that beautiful internal repair process, can't even begin without it. Imagine trying to build a house with no moisture and cement. That's what happens to your skin when you're dehydrated. The fibers weaken, the glow fades, and your body starts signaling for help in subtle ways. Dryness, dullness, fatigue. Hydration isn't about chugging liters of water at once. It's about steady flow. Small, consistent reminders to your cells that you're keeping them alive. Mineral-rich water, a pinch of sea salt, even the natural electrolytes from fruit-infused water, they all help your body transport the nutrients that build collagen. When you hydrate deeply, your skin's elasticity improves. Circulation increases and nutrients move more efficiently to where they're needed. You're not just quenching thirst, you're activating renewal. Pay attention to how your body feels after drinking water mindfully. There's a clarity that follows. Your energy lifts, your mind steadies, and your skin subtly begins to respond. It's your body saying, thank you. Hydration is the most natural, most affordable form of self-care, yet it's often the one we neglect first. So start with something simple, a glass of mineral water in the morning, a refill before every meal, a calm moment to breathe between sips. Small rituals add up. Remember, collagen doesn't thrive in dryness. It needs flow, balance, and care. Keep your water intake sacred, because hydration isn't just a habit, it's a healing force. Your body speaks a language, and nutrients are its words. When it comes to collagen, it listens most to what you feed it. Every time you eat, you're either giving your body the raw materials to rebuild or leaving it searching for what it needs. Collagen isn't just produced out of thin air. It's crafted from amino acids like lysine, proline, and lysine, tiny building blocks found in foods like eggs, fish, beans, and bone broth. These nutrients are the foundation your body uses to weave that strong, elastic network beneath your skin. Then there's vitamin C, the spark that ignites the entire process. Without it, collagen can't form properly. That's why citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens aren't just healthy. They're essential for the glow you're chasing. Zinc and copper also play quiet but powerful roles. They help stabilize and cross-link collagen fibers, keeping them firm and flexible. When you combine these nutrients naturally, your skin starts to look alive again. Your joints move easier, and your energy feels cleaner. It's not about restriction, it's about nourishment. Instead of thinking of food as calories, see it as conversation. Each bite of color, red berries, green spinach, golden turmeric, sends a signal of renewal. Your body responds to consistency and care, not quick fixes. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start by adding one collagen-supportive meal a day, something rich, colorful, and alive. With time, your body learns to rebuild from what you provide. Real beauty doesn't come from what you apply on the surface. It comes from how you feed the systems beneath it. Every meal is a chance to rebuild your glow from within. Your glow isn't just about the surface. It's a reflection of what's happening deep within your cells. Collagen is more than structure. It's also energy. The same cells that produce collagen depend on mitochondria, the power plants of your body. To stay active and alive when your cellular energy drops, so does collagen production. That's why days of fatigue, stress, or long hours indoors can make your skin look dull or tired. Your cells are simply running low on charge. The fix isn't found in another product. It's found in movement, oxygen, and light. Gentle exercise increases blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the skin. That's what gives you that post-workout glow. It's not sweat, it's circulation. Deep breathing has the same effect. With every calm inhale, you're fueling your cells with oxygen, and with every slow exhale, you're releasing tension that blocks regeneration. Even sunlight or red light exposure can stimulate collagen at the mitochondrial level, signaling your skin to repair and renew. You can feel when your inner light switches on. Your face feels warmer, your skin softer, and there's a subtle brightness that no makeup can mimic. That's your body responding to movement, flow, and breath. Think of it as charging your internal battery through natural rhythms. It doesn't take much. A short walk outdoors, a few minutes of deep breathing, a stretch under morning light. Small habits that spark cellular energy bring the skin back to life. Because when your body feels alive, it shows. True radiance doesn't come from chasing light. It comes from creating it within. When it comes to collagen, what you avoid is just as important as what you include. You can feed your body the best nutrients and hydrate perfectly, but if you're constantly exposing your skin and cells to things that break collagen down, it's like filling a bucket with holes in it. The biggest culprits? Sugar, UV exposure, stress, and lack of sleep. Each one quietly weakens the structure beneath your skin, undoing your hard work in the background. Let's start with sugar. When there's too much of it in your bloodstream, it binds to collagen through a process called glycation, making the fibers stiff and brittle. Over time, this leads to sagging and dullness. Then there's sunlight. Yes, it feels amazing, but too much UV light creates free radicals that destroy collagen faster than your body can repair it. It's not about hiding from the sun. It's about being smart with it, using protection, seeking shade, and balancing light exposure. And we can't forget the silent destroyer, stress. Elevated cortisol doesn't just drain your energy, it slows collagen synthesis. Combine that with late nights and poor quality sleep, and your body loses the recovery window it desperately needs. Collagen renewal happens when you rest. That's when your body finally gets to rebuild. Protecting collagen isn't about fear, it's about awareness. Once you know what drains your skin's strength, you can make better choices that preserve it. Every moment you choose balance, less sugar, more rest, less stress, more care, you're giving your body a chance to hold on to its youth naturally. Because the true secret to lasting radiance isn't just building collagen, it's protecting it like something sacred. Rituals have power. Not because they're complicated, but because they're consistent. Collagen thrives in rhythm. Body loves repetition. It responds to calm, steady cues that say, it's time to repair now. That's why nighttime is so important. When the world slows down, your body switches into its parasympathetic mode, the state of rest, recovery, and cellular renewal. This is when collagen production quietly rises. When your skin gets the message to heal and rebuild, a simple nighttime ritual can make all the difference. Wash your face slowly with awareness. Massage your skin gently, not to rush results but to increase circulation and signal your body to relax. When you apply collagen, boosting serum or natural oil, take a breath and let it sink in. These small mindful actions tell your nervous system that you are safe, and when you're safe, your body repairs. Pair this with quality sleep, the kind that lets your hormones balance and your skin breathe. And you've created the perfect environment for regeneration. Your ritual doesn't have to be long. It could be 5 quiet minutes before bed, dim lights, slow breathing, and a promise to show up for yourself. Over time, this routine becomes more than skincare. It becomes self-respect in motion, and the effects reach beyond the mirror. Your mood lifts, your energy deepens, and your glow feels more natural, more earned. Collagen isn't just built by what you consume. It's built by how you live, how you rest, how you care for yourself daily. When you move with intention and end each day in peace, your body remembers what harmony feels like. Renewal isn't forced. It's invited, and every calm ritual you create is an open door to transformation.